In plant breeding and genetics, we use commonly these three terms: back cross, test cross, and reciprocal cross. These are very simple terms, and what are actually these? We clear it in these simple examples. For example, if we talk about Mendelian genetics, we cross round seeded plant with wrinkle seeded plant. What we get in this cross? We have this pair in F1, heterozygous plant. We don't know about these plants, either they are homozygous or these are heterozygous in the field, but in whiteboard we can easily understand these are heterozygous in nature, but in the field we cannot clear difference between homozygous and heterozygous plant. So if this plant, F1 plant, is crossed with any parent, either it is this way or either F1 cross this small r. If we cross F1 with any parent, with dominant parent or with recessive parent, this will be called as back cross. Okay, why we perform this back cross? To check, to inherit some genes which control specific character, or to check the genetic makeup of this plant. So this is called as back cross. But if we cross this parent F1 plant with its recessive parent, to check the genome, to check the genotype of these plants, so what we get? We get test cross. This will be called as test cross, because we are testing the plants, either they are homozygous or heterozygous. For example, we have two kinds of gametes in this type. This will give us 50% round plant and 50% wrinkled plant. So we have cleared this is heterozygous plant which we are crossing with the recessive parent, because we have 50% dominant and 50% recessive character. So if we get 100% dominant trait, if both are homozygous, capital R, then we get 100% dominant character in the test cross. So test cross is actually the F1 cross with this recessive parent. And the very last cross which used in terms of genetics, that is the reciprocal crosses. What Mendel did? In some cases, for example, Mendel used in this cross round plant as a male and used the stigma of the second wrinkle plant as a female. And the same way, in some crosses, he put wrinkled plant as a male and crossed capital R as a female. Used the stamen or the anther of this plant in this cross, and in this cross he used the stamen or anther of this plant. So in some cross, if we take a line or plant as a male, and in the other class we use as a female to check the effect. So what is it called? It is called as reciprocal classes. It's only performed to check the maternal effect, the effect of mother's genome on the developing child. Only this is the way to check that we have to perform reciprocal classes. Mendel used both these terms. In some cases he used roundness as a male, and in some cases he used wrinkliness as a male. So these are the three terms: test cross, back cross, and the reciprocal process.